had a question not related to trading per se, but more inclined towards investment. This is with regards to my parents' retirement portfolio. 85% of their fund is invested in safe assets like real estate, precious metals, and FDs and whatnot. About the rest of the 15%, I wanted to get them some exposure into the equity side of things. So I had an SPP sort of model in mind where I would ask them to invest a lump sum initially, and from the next year on start taking parts of it and move it to safer assets like an RD or debt funds. Or would you recommend the other way around, go for something like a senior citizen savings scheme, Prime Minister Vaya Vandana, and do SIPs into equity? What would be your recommendation? And if you're suggesting the lump sum approach, should I wait, like you indicated a couple of times, right? Waiting for the LTP to come closer to something like a moving average. Would that be the time you would recommend entering if going via the lump sum approach? That's my only question, Shreyas. Thanks in advance.
See, with hi, bro. So, great question. See, with retirement savings, you never invest lump sum. First of all, the first thing you want to take care of when it comes to retirement savings is ideally.
Yeah, they have a monthly pension also. I forgot to mention.
Excellent.
They have a monthly pension, and 85% close to is invested in safe assets. So the 15%, I'm trying to get some exposure into the equity.
Excellent, excellent. So here's the thing. So once you're able to cover whatever annual expenses are there from whatever fixed income is there, they can just have for whatever they have over surplus, which is not, they don't require that to be in fixed income, and they can afford to take some risk on it. They can have an SIP. Ideally, what you do is you have a lump sum investment in debt, not in equity. You have a lump sum, even the portion of money that you want to put in equity, you invest that into debt. And as you said, you have a systematic transfer plan from debt to equity from that particular portfolio of debt, which is going towards risk assets. Because anyway, if you're covering whatever your expenses are there to your current fixed income, be that through rental or through pension or through so on and so forth, then you were like, okay, I can afford to take risk on some other things. And that you want to do through a SIP process. You don't want to do lump sum. There's no point in, for somebody who's retired, there's no point in having a lump sum investment into equity. Just spread it over time. That's it.
Okay, thanks. Thanks, Shreyas.
Yeah.
Yeah.